Say goodbye to boring study sessions. Here's how to make learning a blast. Think studying has to be a snooze fest? Think again. Here's the ultimate guide to turning study time into fun time. Yes, really. 1. Level up your learning game. Transform your studies into an epic adventure by using educational apps that make learning feel like play. Compete with friends, earn rewards, and have a blast. Board games and card games that challenge your brain are also fantastic ways to boost memory and critical thinking, all while having fun. 2. Team up with study buddies. Studying doesn't have to be a solo mission. Join forces with your peers to boost motivation and make learning interactive. Study groups let you dive into discussions, share awesome ideas, and support each other, making the whole process way more enjoyable than going it alone. 3. Bring your subjects to life. Say goodbye to boring textbooks and hello to exciting documentaries, videos, and online courses related to your subjects. These multimedia resources offer fresh perspectives and can turn even the dullest topics into something super interesting. 4. Master the art of study breaks. Keep your mind sharp by taking short, refreshing breaks. Try the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then chill for 5. This method prevents burnout and keeps your brain buzzing. 5. Switch up your study spots. Tired of the same old desk? Change your scenery. Study in a cozy cafe, a tranquil park, or a vibrant library. A new environment can spark creativity and make studying feel like a new adventure every time. 6. Make your notes Insta-worthy. Jazz up your study materials by making them visually stunning. Use colourful pens, highlight key points, and create mind maps. Not only will your notes look amazing, but they'll also be more engaging and easier to remember. 7. Set goals and celebrate wins. Set clear, achievable goals for each study session and treat yourself when you nail them. Whether it's watching an episode of your favourite show or enjoying a delicious snack, rewards make the journey sweeter. 8. Find your study soundtrack. Music can be your study sidekick. Experiment with different genres to see what helps you focus. Lo-fi beats, classical tunes, or ambient sounds. Find what gets you in the zone. 9. Dive into active learning. Don't just read, interact with the material. Summarize info in your own words, teach concepts to a friend, or create flashcards. These active learning techniques make studying more engaging and help you retain information better. 10. Reflect and revel in progress. Take time to look back on what you've accomplished. Reflecting reinforces what you've learned and shows you just how far you've come. It's motivating and makes the study process feel rewarding. See awesome learners? By embracing these fun strategies, you can transform studying from a tedious task into an exciting and productive adventure.